So we got to figure some stuff out. You got arrested for something with a weapon. Not ringing a bell?
No, wrong guy.
Will you be able to take this car?
No, I don't have my license.
Well, you can park it in here.
I can't drive though.
You can't drive into the parking lot?
No.
You don't know how to drive?
No.
Well, you're fine.
Okay.
We're letting you know. So just pull it right here.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On January 8th of 2020, Officer Forney of the Henderson Police Department conducted a traffic stop after observing a vehicle driving without headlights at 4:44 in the afternoon.
Hey, man. Hey, I'm Officer Forney, Henderson Police Department. Stopped you because you didn't have any headlights on at all. Okay. Do you want to see if... and then you have your... Okay.
Nevada Revised Statute 484D.100 requires drivers use headlights 30 minutes after sunset, but based on a quick Google, the sun had just set 2 minutes prior, and the purpose of the stop should have been a friendly request to activate the headlights. However, citations like this are typically used to either A. generate revenue for the state, or B. as a pretextual stop to find more egregious violations of the law. Unfortunately for the driver, he has a warrant for a traffic citation and had a court date scheduled for the following day.
All right, let me see your driver's license.
I actually don't have it because I lost my license. Well, I lost my wallet.
Okay.
I do have a warrant with you guys, but
Okay.
I have a court date tomorrow actually to take care of all.
Tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
All right, do you have any kind of ID?
I have no
Go ahead and
idea.
turn this off for me.
Okay.
We don't need to keep it running.
Looks like the bin's covered up too.
Yeah, you'll have to come get his info. He's 440.
Is he?
Yeah, but he has a court date tomorrow, he says. We can verify that.
Okay, any weapons inside the car?
No, sir.
None at all?
No.
But his ID, he doesn't have his ID with him, so you'll have to write shit
I
down.
lost my my wallet a couple weeks ago.
Give me a sec there.
And you might.
I have proof of that, but I think it's at home. My
What's
court
your first
date
name?
tomorrow. Shane Brown.
Spell it.
SHANE.
Brown?
Brown. BROWN. 96. My license is also suspended for that reason. I'm taking care of
for the
all.
warrant?
Yeah, I'm taking care of all that tomorrow.
And what's your social? You working right now?
I just got off work. I'm actually picking my fiance. She works right here.
Okay, just hang out 1 second. Okay, keep your hands up.
You just picked up?
No, I'm going to pick up.
Oh, I'm like,
No,
my eyes aren't.
What happened was I was sitting right in the parking lot playing on my phone because I'm a mechanic by trade.
Okay.
And I had the car on, I was like, oh, and my temperature's really high. So I just went around the block real quick. I was going to park again to see what's going on.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I started driving.
All right, man. So here's what I'm going to suggest to the other officer there is we should be able to have our dispatch go through the court view and confirm that you have a court date tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
If you have a court date tomorrow,
Hey, what do you say the 440
It's at
for?
9 o'clock in the morning.
what's your warrant for? Is it
It's like, I want to say traffic ticket.
traffic stuff?
Yeah, it's just minor traffic.
Hey, you might want to landline dispatch. See if
I just ran him over there.
yeah, but if he comes back 440 local, then. But if he has to call and see if they can check court view.
And what?
See if they can check court view. See if he has court tomorrow. We don't want to arrest him. That would be dumb, right? I mean,
yeah, please. Yes. I actually called this morning to verify.
okay. And it's in Henderson.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What?
I want to say it's speeding, if I remember correctly. But I know I had two. And what happened was I had 2 tickets with you guys. Some unfortunate things came up, and I wasn't able to pay.
Okay.
And I forgot to pay when I did get money, and then I got the paper in the mail.
Okay. All right. So we'll try. If we can verify that you have court tomorrow, then for us to take you and make you sit in jail, I mean, might as well just let you go tomorrow.
Yeah. I'm gonna go.
We'll work with you as much as we can. Did you have the registration and insurance on this?
That's another issue. I was gonna take care of all that tomorrow as well. That's because I was gonna go to the DMV, get the insurance done and all that.
Okay, so you don't have. This has never been registered to you?
To me, no. I just got this vehicle, I want to say a month ago.
Okay. All right. Do you mind open your door for me real quick?
Of course,
I just want to look at the sticker. Go ahead.
I have a water bottle right here. I'm going to grab that and move it out the way. So
Dude, go ahead, man.
Hey, just ask him to come in. We'll have him sit right here, just in case I need to get some info from him.
Well, you're gonna need. Here, just go ahead and get out. He's gonna need info from you. When does your girl get off?
She's supposed to get off at 4:30.
From where?
Right here, right in this building.
So she could walk here.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Just sit right here, bud.
I'm gonna keep that cracked. All right, because no matter what, he's gonna have relax. No matter what, he's gonna have to ask you a bunch of stuff to fill out.
Yeah, no worries.
We're definitely trying to work with you.
Okay.
The officers and Shane engage in small talk, while they try to work with Shane to determine whether he has a court date the following day. However, dispatch relayed false information about another man that shares the same name, Shane Brown. The driver is African American, with a birth year of 1996, putting him at just 23 years old at the time of this video. The Shane Brown they were looking for is quite different, a Caucasian man with brown hair and blue eyes, born in 1971, over twice the age of their current detainee. The almost 50-year-old Shane Brown was wanted for a felony weapons charge, but Shane on scene has only ever committed traffic infractions.
So we gotta figure some stuff out. You got arrested for something with a weapon in Metro.
At least that's what they're saying.
Not ringing a bell?
No, wrong guy. I've been arrested, but everything I've been arrested for is traffic violations.
That's it.
That's it. There's no weapons, no.
So,
The last time I had my hand on a
is this girlfriend?
yes.
Hi.
Hello, welcome.
The last time I had my hand on a weapon was back.
Come over here real quick.
Back when I got my hand.
Hold on one second. I just had my mom call. So basically, he obviously unregistered car, no headlights, stuff like that. He doesn't have his driver's license suspended. He said he just dropped you off, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And so he has some warrants out for his arrest, so we're trying to figure these out right now, okay?
Okay.
But come back over here. So one of the warrants is going to be, it's a no bail warrant for some weapon charge out of Las Vegas Metro. So that's what we're trying to see what now. What's his name?
Shane
Shane Brown.
Brown.
So just hang out a sec, and then we'll get this. So more than likely, he's going to go to jail. Okay.
Really?
It's a no bail warrant for some warrant. However, we can see what's going to happen, and then we'll go from there. Is that cool? Where do you work at?
Right here.
Will you be able to take this car?
No, I don't have my license.
Well, you can park it in here.
I can't drive though.
You can't drive it literally right here?
No.
You can't drive into the parking lot?
No.
You don't know how to drive?
No.
Well, do you want to take possession of it? And then maybe an officer can help you? Because if not, it's going to be a minimum probably $350 towing. What we're trying to do is give you a huge break. You understand what I'm saying?
I'll park it in there.
Like, we're trying to give him a huge break too. I promise you. You want him to say yes, I want to release it to her, and then you park it here.
Okay.
That's it. So $350 initial plus, I don't know what their fees are daily.
Okay.
But you want to pay $400, $500, $600 for this? All right. So if you can just hang out for us, where you work at, right in that building?
Yeah.
If you can just hang out for us, just like right over here, just for a few minutes, we're gonna try to figure everything out, okay?
After attempting to persuade an unlicensed driver to move the vehicle following a traffic stop for not engaging the headlights, the officers try to figure out the felony warrant.
So, if it comes back totally matching you, not much else we can do. But I think that'll be unlikely.
Yeah.
I've never been arrested for weapon charge.
So do me a favor, but just put your hands right behind your back for me, okay? Just like that. Just relax. I'm gonna just tie this up, okay?
This is anti-gun.
Yeah. I'm not wearing. I didn't do anything. So.
Right. Okay, so,
The girlfriend's gonna take the vehicle.
well, he's saying that warrant for that weapons for 40 is not. I think we should look and see if the difference matches. Because
What about the 47 stuff local?
It depends on you, bro.
Yeah. And then it is coming back with him also being, because she confirmed his identity as well. It's coming back as with his suspended DL as well.
Right.
So
I think what we should do when patrol gets here, we need to go into court view and see if he has court.
let me see. I already see. I get that.
If he has court tomorrow and that felony warrant isn't him,
Yeah.
if it were me, I mean, you do your thing. This is your stop.
I probably wouldn't.
Full custody.
Real quick, but stand up against the
More
car real
likely he'll
quick.
miss his court date tomorrow
That's how much-
if he's incarcerated.
Yes.
The officers run his social, but it only shows his expired driver's license, and eventually, a patrol unit arrives on scene with a better system in their cruiser to check the details of the warrant. But before they even check the information, they have Shane's girlfriend park his car and leave.
Hey, do you need somebody to drive that car? Or do you know how to drive it even a little bit?
Yeah, I can drive it. I just can't like be on the streets.
Oh, well, you're fine.
Okay.
We're letting you know. So just pull it right here. I just didn't know. I thought you meant that you didn't know how to drive at all.
Oh no. I'm gonna bring it to the back so I don't get towed.
That's cool. So listen, what happens is he would never be going to jail unless he had that no bail warrant out of Las Vegas Metro. We're not Las Vegas Metro, so I can't tell you what it is about, okay?
Okay.
But how it works, he's gonna go over to Henderson jail, process through real quick there because he has a small warrant out of there. He won't be at Henderson very long, but he's gonna get kicked over to county. He's gonna have to go to court. It's no bail, so you're not even gonna be able to bail him out of county. Okay, does that make sense to you? All right. So just take the car. We're trying to save you money, and then just bounce.
Upon her departure, Shane provides even more information. The rookie on scene, Officer Duffy, tells the arresting officer that he ran the information, but the only warrant that comes up is for the traffic infraction that he has court for on the following day.
So he asked about the other warrant, so he only came back out of Henderson. So he asked about it.
We're just going to book him on that. We don't need to worry about it.
Instead of worrying about that mess and searching Shane's scope number to bring up prior booking photos, and despite the record showing a discrepancy in middle names, height, age, and race, the officers falsely arrest Shane for a warrant that should have been easy to verify as not his. Shane was transported to jail, and 2 days later, a member of the Las Vegas Metro Police Department filed paperwork with the court indicating that officers had the older Shane Brown in custody. He was then transferred to the Clark County Detention Center, where he attempted to explain numerous times to multiple supervisors that he was not the right man, but none of the officers reviewed their records to determine if they had made a mistake. After spending 6 days in jail, he was released immediately upon appearing in front of a judge.
Maybe put a note that they had arrested the wrong person on there.
It wasn't until this court hearing, 6 days after this Shane Brown's initial arrest, that a judge ordered him released immediately.
They didn't say anything. They just got me out of jail pretty quickly.
And the older Shane Brown was arrested a few days after that. Shane went on to file a lawsuit against the Henderson and Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Departments and was awarded $90,000 for their negligence. The departments wouldn't comment on whether the officers were disciplined, but said that they would implement further training to prevent this from ever happening again. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, LackLuster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.